Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XRP on Robinhood and want to move it to a more secure Ledger wallet in 2025, you're in the right place. With crypto regulations and tech updates happening fast, transferring your assets safely is crucial for protecting your investments. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this confidently in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure your Ledger device is set up and updated. If you haven't already, download the Ledger Live app from their official website and connect your hardware wallet. This is your first line of defense against hacks, so double-check that everything's running the latest firmware for 2025. Next, log into your Robinhood account. Head over to your XRP holdings and select the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. Robinhood might have new fees or limits in 2025, so keep an eye on that. It could be around 1 to 2% or a flat fee. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but remember, only move what you need to avoid unnecessary costs. Now, for the key part. Get your Ledger wallet address. Open Ledger Live, go to the XRP account, and copy the receiving address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so paste it carefully into Robinhood's withdrawal form. Pro tip: always verify the address on your Ledger device itself to prevent any phishing scams. Once you've confirmed everything, hit Confirm on Robinhood. You'll get an email or notification, and the transfer should take anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes, depending on network congestion. Keep your Robinhood app open and monitor the transaction status. After it's done, check your Ledger wallet to ensure your XRP has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. This step secures your crypto offline, away from exchange risks. One last thing. In 2025, always enable two-factor authentication and use a VPN for extra security during transfers. There you have it, folks, a straightforward guide to transferring XRP from Robinhood to Ledger. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.